Good afternoon, I'm Nur Hikmah. I'm student from Sumber Waras Nursing Academy. I would like to explain about an effective cook procedure as an exercise to expel phlegm that interferes the respiratory tract by expelling it through cooking. I'm at first to clear the patient airway obstruction. Secondly, by cooking for diagnostic tests, and thirdly, to reduce shortness of breath. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thank you. Good afternoon, my name is Nur Hikmah. I'm nurse on duty this afternoon. How are you today?
I'm not feeling well, nurse. My breath is hard to come out.
Okay, I will check your breathing, sister. Okay, well then I will teach you how to choke effectively so your phlegm comes out easily. The time I need 10 minutes. Are you ready, sister? Can you mention your name and date of birth?
April 25, 2000.
Okay, according to your name and date of birth. Okay, I have to wash my hand and prepare the food first. Before taking action to the patient, we wash our hands first. Then dry your hands using a tissue. Keep the patient privacy across the corneas. Tools use that hand spoon. Tools use that hand spoon, tissue, sputum pump, and glass of warm water. The first were hand spoon. Before we practice effective cooking, I will adjust your position first to make it comfortable. Are you comfortable, sister?
Already comfortable.
You can drink warm water first, then you can follow the movements that I practice. This is the place for you to get rid of phlegm after cooking. Put it and fold your hands in front of the chest. Then take a breath through your nose slowly and exhale through your mouth up to 3 times. Then inhale and cook the dispose of phlegm in the place provided. Has all the phlegm come out?
Yes, nurse.
Please use the tissue to clean your mouth. Can you re-practice, sister, the action we have done? The action we have done. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Okay, the action taken is correct, sister. Okay, I will recheck your breathing, sister. Yes, sister, is correct. The action has been completed. How do you feel after the action?
My flame is reduced and my throat feel more comfortable after the products, nurse.
Okay, good, sister. I will clean up the tools. Okay, sister, you can do this effective cook technique repeatedly. For example, 3 and 4 times a day.
Sure, nurse, I will do it regularly.
Okay, sister, I'll leave you. If you need help, you just press the button next to you. Next, I will adjust your position as before to feel comfortable.
Okay, nurse.
The action is completed. I am allowed to go to nurse station.
Okay, nurse, thank you. Well, thank you guys for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe and give your comment and thank you. See you.